Today, I will show you 10 underrated AI tools that can save you hours every day. I will explain what each tool does, how to use it in simple English, and different ways beginners can make money with these tools. Make sure you stay until the end because the last tool is probably the most underrated on this list. It's one of those tools that makes people ask, where has this been all my life? Let's jump in. Number one tool is Napkin AI. Have you ever tried explaining something but wished you had a beautiful diagram instead of a long paragraph? That's exactly what Napkin AI does. Instead of spending 1 hour or hours creating chart, flow chart, or business diagram, you simply type your ideas. For example, let's say you write, customer sees an advert, visits a website, buys a product, and receives an email. Within seconds, Napkin AI will turn that into a clean, professional-looking flowchart. No graphic design skill, no dragging shapes around, no stress. This is perfect for students, teachers, YouTubers, bloggers, freelancers, and business owners. To use this AI tool, all you need to do is to open Napkin AI, create a free account, paste your notes, or type your ideas. Click generate. The AI instantly creates diagrams, mind maps, and visual explanation. You can change colors, move things around, and download them. It's honestly one of the easiest AI tools you will ever use. Here is where beginners can cash in using this tool. Many small business need presentation. Teachers need lesson diagram. Students need project visuals. Companies need workflow chart, so you can offer diagram design services on freelance websites. You can also sell business templates on Etsy or Gumroad. So if you're a content creator, these diagrams make your videos and ebooks look much more professional. So you have one simple tool and multiple income opportunities. Number two tool is Tana. Most people keep notes everywhere. Some notes are inside WhatsApp, some are inside Google Docs, others are written on paper. Then, when they need something, they can't find it. Tana changes everything. Think of it as a super smart notebook that actually understands your information. Instead of storing random notes, it connects everything together automatically. Let's say you are planning a YouTube channel. You write down your video ideas today. Tomorrow, you write sponsorship ideas. Next week, you write editing tips. Tana links everything together without you doing the hard work. Almost feels like your notes have their own brain. To use it, all you need to do is to create an account, then you start writing your ideas. You create simple tags for different topics. So as you continue writing, this AI tool automatically connects related information together. Later, when you search for something, it brings everything related together. Are you getting it? So this is an amazing tool. No more endless scrolling, no more forgotten notes. To make money with this particular tool, if you're a virtual assistant, Tana helps you organize client work. If you're a project manager, you can manage projects much faster. You can also teach beauty professionals how to organize their businesses using Tana. Many people pay consultants just to help them become more organized. So that could become your service. Tool number 3 is Gamma. Let's be honest, PowerPoint presentations can be exhausting. You spend more time choosing colors than actually preparing your work. Gamma fixes the problem. So instead of building slides one after another, we simply tell Gamma what you want. For example, create a presentation explaining how to start a small fashion business. Within minutes, Gamma writes the content, design the slides, add images, and create a presentation that looks like it was made by a professional designer. Honestly, it feels like having your own presentation assistant. So to use this tool, you have to sign up, then you click on new, type your topic, choose the number of slides. The AI builds everything for you. You can then edit anything you like before downloading or sharing it online. And that's it. To make money with this, businesses constantly need presentation. Sales team need pitch deck. Student needs school presentation. Startup need investor presentation. So you can charge clients to create professional presentations in a fraction of the normal time. You could also design presentation templates and sell them online. Number 4 AI tool is Granola. Have you ever attended an online meeting and spent the whole time worrying about taking notes? You are listening, someone says something important, you quickly start typing. Then, before you finish writing, they've already moved on to the next point. Granola solves that problem. So think of it as your personal meeting assistant. It quietly listens during your meeting and turns the conversation into clear, organized notes. Instead of reading through a 1-hour recording, you get the important points in just minute. So this is an amazing AI tool. All you need to do is to download Granola on your device, join your online meeting as usual, open Granola before the meeting starts. While everyone is talking, it automatically creates notes in the background. When the meeting ends, you will see a neat summary with action points, important decisions, and key discussions. No more writing everything yourself. To make money with this tool, if you're a virtual assistant, this tool can save you hours every week. So if you work remotely, you will become much more productive. You can also offer meeting summarization services to busy business owners who don't have time to review long recordings. Imagine helping 5 companies summarize all their weekly meetings. That could become a steady monthly income. Number 5 tool is Roles AI. Let's be honest, many people panic when they see spreadsheets. Those rows and columns can look scary. Roles AI makes spreadsheet much more easier because you can simply talk to them like you are talking to a person. Instead of remembering complicated formulas, you just type what you want. For example, calculate this month's total sales or show me which product made the highest profits. This AI tool does the work for you. It can even pull information from the internet and organize your data automatically. Now, to use this tool, you need to create an account, then upload your spreadsheet or start a new one. Ask questions in plain English. The AI creates formulas, analyzes data, and even builds charts for you. No need to become an Excel expert. To make money with these tools, small businesses always need help organizing their sales record. Online stores need reports, freelancers need invoices, so you can offer spreadsheet cleanup, business reports, or sales analysis services. Many business owners don't enjoy working with numbers, so if you can do it faster using AI, they'll happily pay you to handle the task. Tool number 6 is Glean. Have you ever spent 20 minutes looking for one document? You check Google Drive, nothing. You check your Gmail, nothing. You even check your computer, still nothing. Then you finally remember where you saved it. We've all been there. Glean fixes that problem. It searches across all your connected apps at the same time. Instead of checking 10 different places, you search once. Within seconds, Glean finds exactly what you're looking for. It's like having Google search for your own files. To use this tool, you have to connect the apps you use, like Google Drive, Notion, or Gmail. Then type what you're looking for. Glean searches everything together and shows the result in one place. It's simple, fast, and is a huge time saver. How to make money with this tool? If you work as a remote assistant or office administrator, you will find information much faster. You can manage documents for busy entrepreneurs and save them hours every week. The faster you work, the more clients you can handle. That's how AI increases your income, not by replacing you, but by helping you finish work much faster. Tool number 7 is Lindy. This one feels almost like hiring another employee. Imagine an AI that sends emails, schedules meetings, follows up with customers, answers questions, and keep working even while we are sleeping. That's exactly what Lindy is designed to do. This is an AI assistant that automates many of the repetitive tasks people do every day. Instead of using the same thing over and over, you teach Lindy once. After that, it keeps repeating the task automatically. To use this tool, you need to create an account, choose one of the ready-made automation templates, connect your email or calendar, tell Lindy what you want it to do. For example, when someone books a meeting, send them a welcome email, or when a customer fills my form, notify me immediately. Once it's set up, the automation keeps running by itself. So it's like having a digital assistant that never gets tired. To make money with this tool, businesses love automation because it saves time and reduces mistakes. So you can learn how to build simple automations with Lindy and offer the service to small businesses. You can charge to set up email workflows, customer follow-ups, appointment reminders, or lead magnet system. Many business owners don't even know this tool exists. So if you become the person who knows how to use them, you will always have valuable skills to offer. We've now covered 7 incredible AI tools, but trust me, the last 3 are the ones that usually make people say, why didn't I know about this earlier? One of them can literally turn hours of research into just a few minutes. And another one can save content creator dozens of hours every single month. Let's check them out. Now we are getting to the final three tools. And honestly, if you've been thinking these tools are nice, but which one can really change the way I work? This next one are exactly that. Number 8 is Notebook LM. Imagine this, you download a 200-page PDF or someone sends you a long report. You open it, look at the first page, then quietly close it because it's just too much to read. We've all done that. Notebook LM changes the game. Instead of reading everything yourself, you upload your documents and ask questions as if you are talking to a teacher. For example, what are the most important points? Explain this in simple English. Summarize chapter 3. What are the action steps? Within seconds, Notebook LM gives you a clear answer based only on your own documents. One of my favorite features is that it can even turn your document into an audio discussion that sounds like two people talking about the topic. So instead of reading everything, you can listen while driving, cooking, or exercising. So that's a huge time saver. To use this tool, you need to create a Field Notebook LM account, upload your PDF, Word document, Google Docs, or Notes. Once they are uploaded, simply type your question. The AI searches only inside your document and gives you easy to understand answers. So think of it as having a personal tutor available 24 hours a day. Now, to make money with this tool, if you're a student, you can study much faster. If you're a freelancer, you can summarize reports for clients. If you are a content creator, you can turn long research into YouTube scripts, blog posts, or newsletters in fraction of the time. You can even offer document summarization services to lawyers, researchers, coaches, or business owners who don't have time to read lengthy reports. Tool number 9 is Perplexity Spaces. Most people use AI by asking one question at a time. The problem is, after a while, everything becomes messy. You forget where your research is, you repeat the same questions again, you waste time starting over. That is where Perplexity Spaces comes in. Instead of keeping random charts, you can create separate spaces for different projects. For example, you can have one space for your YouTube channel, another for your business, another for school, another for client work. Each space remembers your research, files, and conversation, making it much more easier to stay organized. So it's like giving every project its own smart assistant. To use it, you need to create an account on the platform, click create space, give it a name, upload files if you have any, start asking questions. The AI keeps everything related to that project together, so you don't have to search through old conversation. To make money with this, if you write articles, create YouTube videos, or manage clients, you will spend far less time researching. You can finish projects faster and take on more work. You can also use it to provide market research, competitor analysis, or business research for clients. Many businesses pay good money for organized research. Perplexity Spaces helps you deliver that work much faster. Tool number 10, Whisk Flow. Let's finish with one of the biggest time saver on this list. How much time do you spend typing every day? Emails, messages, reports, ideas, social media posts. Now imagine simply speaking and your words appear on the screen almost instantly. That's what Whisk Flow does. It's much more than normal voice typing. It understands natural speech, adds punctuation, and makes your writing sound polished. Instead of typing for an hour, you can often finish the same time work in 20 minutes. For people who think faster than they type, this tool feels like magic. To use it, you have to install Whisk Flow on your computer. Turn on your microphone and open any writing app and start talking naturally. The AI writes everything for you and format it as you speak. You can review it, make small changes, and you're done. So to make money with this tool, if you are a writer, you finish articles much faster. If you're a copywriter, you can create more content every day. If you're a virtual assistant, replying to emails becomes much quicker. If you're a YouTuber, you can speak your scripts ideas instead of typing every sentence. The faster you work, the more projects you can complete. The more completed projects usually mean more income. So what have you learned today? You don't need to work longer to become more productive. You need better tools. Today, we looked at 10 underrated 10 tools that most people aren't talking about. Napkin AI for turning ideas into beautiful diagram, Tana for organizing your notes like a second brain, Gamma for creating stunning presentation, Granola for taking meeting notes automatically, Rose AI for making spreadsheets simple, Link for finding files across all your apps, Lindy for automating repetitive tasks, Notebook LM for understanding long documents in minutes, Perplexity Spaces for keeping your research organized, Wish Flow for writing by simply speaking. Think about it. If each of these tools saves you just 30 minutes a day, together they could save you several hours every single week. That's time you could spend learning a new skill, growing your business, creating more content, or simply relaxing with your family. AI isn't here to replace people. Like I keep saying, it's here to remove the boring, repetitive work so you can focus on what humans do best, which is thinking, creating, and solving problems. Here are my challenge for you. Don't try to learn all 10 today. Just pick one, use it for the next 7 days or more. Once it becomes part of your daily routine, come back and learn another one. Small improvements every day lead to big results over time. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these AI tools surprised you the most? Leave them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe to more videos like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.